Imagine starting your day by describing everything around you in English, feeling more confident with each word. No more searching for what to say, just smooth, everyday talk. Welcome to Day 2 of our 30-day English challenge on English with Zorain. If you missed Day 1 or the intro video, pause now and watch them first to catch up. Today, we're diving into everyday vocabulary. Give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on notifications so you don't miss a day. Let's get into it. Hey friends, I'm Mr.Zorain, your daily English helper. We're building better English one day at a time, focusing on speaking, listening, words, and confidence, all without any grammar rules. Remember, this challenge is about fun, easy tasks that fit into your busy life. Yesterday on Day 1, we set goals and recorded a short intro about ourselves. If you shared in the comments, thank you. It helps build our community. If you haven't commented yet, describe Day 1's video in 2 to 3 lines. What you learned, what you liked, or how it helped. I'll feature the best ones in tomorrow's video with your name. This is a great way to practice writing and connect with others. Now, let's talk about Day 2, everyday vocabulary. Why focus on this so early? Because these are the words you use all the time at home, talking about your routine, items around you, or simple activities. If you master these, you'll feel more natural speaking English in real life. Think about it. How often do you describe your morning or what you're doing? Building this vocab helps you stop translating in your head and just speak. Plus, it's a quick win to boost your confidence from Day 1's goals. Your task today is simple but powerful. First, learn 10 common household items or activity words. I'll give you examples, but feel free to choose ones that match your home. Things like brew coffee. That means making coffee in the morning. Scroll feed. Looking through your social media updates. Wash dishes after eating. Make the bed when you wake up. Turn on the lights in the evening. Cook breakfast for your family. Take a shower to start fresh. Check email on your phone. Water the plants if you have some. And watch TV to relax. Repeat these out loud a few times to get comfortable. Next, grab some sticky notes or paper and label items in your home with these words. Walk around your space and say them as you go. This makes learning active, not just reading, but seeing and speaking. Then, the main part. Describe your morning routine out loud in English for at least 5 minutes. You can do it while walking or recording on your phone. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m., make my bed, then go to the kitchen to brew coffee. After that, I take a shower and check my email while scrolling my feed. Don't worry if you pause. That's normal at first. The goal is to practice flowing words. Let me demo this right now to show how easy it is. Okay, starting in my bedroom. This is my bed. I make the bed every morning to start the day right. Over here is my lamp. I turn on the lights when it's dark. Now moving to the kitchen. Here's the coffee maker where I brew coffee. It smells so good. The sink is for washing dishes after meals. In the living room, my phone on the table. I scroll the feed for news. And this pot has my plant. I water the plants twice a week. See how simple? Now for my morning routine. I wake up around 6 a.m., stretch a bit, then make my bed. I head to the kitchen, brew some coffee, and sip it while checking email. Then, I take a quick shower, get dressed, and maybe watch a bit of TV news before starting work. That took just a minute. You can expand yours to 5 minutes by adding more details. Why does this work so well? Labeling things turns your home into a learning space. Every time you see the label, you remember the word. Describing aloud practices speaking without pressure, like talking to a friend. I remember one student who did this and said, "Now I think in English when I'm at home." It helped him reach his goal of chatting with family in English. You might feel silly at first, but trust me, by the end of the week, it'll feel natural. To make it even more fun, let's add a little twist. In the comments, run a poll. What's your favorite English word from today? Is it brew coffee, scroll feed, or something else? Mine is brew coffee, because I love my morning cup. Vote and see what others pick. It's a great way to engage and learn from each other. Also, don't forget your progress diary from Day 1. Write down the 10 words you chose today and note how describing your routine felt.
Was it easier than you thought? Any new words you added? This tracking will show your growth by day 30. And remember, this task is just 15 to 30 minutes. Perfect for busy days. If you're short on time, do the labeling first and describe while doing your actual routine tomorrow morning.
Let's tie this back to motivation. From day one, your goals might include better job talks or travel chats. Everyday vocab like this is the foundation. It helps you build sentences quickly. Imagine using these words in a real conversation. I brewed coffee this morning while scrolling my feed. Sounds natural, right? I've seen learners go from basic to fluent by starting here. One guy shared that after this task, he described his day to his boss in English and got compliments. And with Christmas just around the corner and New Year 2026 coming up, think of this challenge as your early resolution. Set a New Year goal like speak English every day in 2026. Starting now with tasks like today's will make it a habit. Imagine entering the new year with stronger English, ready for new opportunities, celebrations, and connections. This is the perfect time to commit. Let's make 2026 your year of English confidence. If you have questions like, what if I don't have sticky notes? Just say the words out loud without labels. Or, can I do this in the evening? Yes, describe your evening routine instead. Flexibility is key to sticking with the challenge. Join the community in the comments. Share your 10 words, a snippet of your routine description, or even a link to your recording if you're brave. I'll reply to as many as I can. Use hashtag Zorain English Challenge on social media and tag a friend who needs this. Let's grow together. You're doing amazing by showing up for day 2. Remember, English improves with practice, not perfection. Keep it fun, and you'll see changes soon. Thanks for watching English with Zorain. See you tomorrow. Bye. If you enjoyed this, like the video, subscribe for more daily challenges, turn on notifications, comment your thoughts below, and share this with a friend to start their new year strong.